Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's going to take a look at some of the new rock we've added on the back section here of the sort of swimming pond area. Again, just a brief update. Since our last one, guys, we've added quite a bit more of the larger rock here. You can just see now coming towards the back if we come up here. We've got most of the edging done now, even around the back areas here. Now you can still see the black inside of there. Again, that's a lot more work to be done on all of this stuff here. But for the moment, guys, what I've been doing is really kind of going for the larger size stones at the moment. Essentially kind of building the base that I'm going to kind of make the rest of the feature off of. Now, as you can see at the moment, it does kind of just look like a bit of a kind of a rock pile here. Now, what we'll be doing is, going back with a lot of smaller size sort of stone, pebble, even sort of gravel and sand, kind of filling in some of these little areas here, which you can see there. Also using things like your mosses, as well as plants to kind of soften the edges of the feature here. One thing that definitely helps, guys, when you're kind of, got the border between, say, a bed here and obviously where your water feature is to really kind of incorporate, as I say, things like your mosses and, a lot of these were on the rocks already, so I did choose these on the rocks specifically. As I kind of like that kind of more natural character that it's got here. You can see as well, guys, taking a look on this edge here, this back edge here now is sort of fairly well covered, not really seeing much liner on there. You can see down here, of course, we've still got liner showing all along this edge here. Now what we will be doing, I'll just step out into the middle here, is, as you can see from this side, that's about 2 to 3 inches up there. What I'm going to be doing is essentially lowering that edge level down and using some of the large stones off the back here, similar to this, again to kind of marry up at the water level there. Another idea, guys, at the moment, I'm thinking of taking sort of this triangle area here, you can see from about there down to here, over to here, and potentially lifting these slabs here and creating somewhat of a kind of flower bed, if you will, or kind of planting bed, something that I can plant, something low, not going to grow tall, as we are using the tee box there in the middle for the putting green side of things, and that will be coming onto here, so we do need to leave that gap. But with that said, guys, the idea is, of course, as I say, with these projects, guys, it kind of always kind of adapts and grows over time. So now looking here where this bucket is across to there, thinking essentially to kind of remove all the slabs, again use rock and make it look sort of like a dry bed or a dry stream bed going into here. Again, just bringing a little bit of difference to the feature. We do have some new plants arriving in the next week or two, which are going to go out the back here, which will be pleased to show you when they do arrive. Quite exciting for this one here, so keep an eye out on that. But with that said, guys, of course, any suggestions you might have on plants and things that would do well out here. Again, I think the idea is to keep this back area here as a bit more of like a fernery, kind of more the jungly looking plants, going to potentially some musabastu back there, something like that. But again, really just, in the planning stages at the moment here. So what we'll do is leave it there. Keep an eye on the channel for more updates on this project. Again, we're going to be continuously working on this one here. Of course, if you haven't subscribed already, feel free to join the community and keep along with the projects. Of course, a like always helps the channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next one.